Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome to Yay Math's lesson on triangle inequalities. And we have two birthdays in the room. You. And you. You are a girl. And you are a boy. And you are 15 and you are 16? Okay, so let's sing them a song, everyone. 1, 2, 3, go. Yay Math to you. Yay Math to you. Yay Math to you.
Oh,
Yay Math to you.
Lower.
That's better. All right.
Take the candle.
Let's go.
Just a candle.
Oh, the candle.
This is so awkward.
Not your birthday.
It's not. Here, I want to bring this back. 300,000 people thank you and celebrate with you. There you go. Can I have one of these
It's a
after?
big birthday party.
Okay. Okay. Triangle inequalities goes like this. All right. Welcome guests. Yeah, we have two people from last year as well. Say hi to everyone.
Hello.
Hi. Hi.
That face is great. No.
Yeah. Math is fun. A, B, C. This is a triangle. Just like this. What is this triangle called, Ursula?
Math nerd.
Math nerd.
I'm
a nerd.
He doesn't like my nickname, the student.
Okay, so 5 and 6 and 10.
What? Remember? Oh, yeah.
All right, so we have the triangle, 5, 6, and 10. We have it drawn? Good. So what's the smallest side? Side
AB.
AB, right on. Okay, so AB is the smallest side. Thus, what is the smallest angle? Anyone know? Can anyone guess what's the smallest angle? Yes?
BCA. Yeah.
Okay, you can use one letter in this case.
Oh, you can't. Oh, C.
C, right. Angle C. Why is C the smallest angle? Yes?
It's opposite from the shortest side.
Right on.
Oh.
Opposite the smallest side is the smallest angle. What is the medium side? Grande, if you will.
CB.
Yes?
Angle A.
No, the
BC.
this medium side.
Oh, the medium side.
BC.
Oh, BC, yeah.
And so what is the medium angle?
A.
Go ahead. Angle A, right. Okay? And what is the largest side, or venti, if you will?
Huh?
Yes?
AC.
AC, right. And what is the biggest angle then?
B.
Angle B. Right. Okay, so we can put those in. We can put small and medium and large. Okay, so that's one lesson. Yay, lesson. Okay, now it's going off. Yeah. Let's applaud after every time we're like we're wrong with you guys. Yeah. There we go. Thanks. No, stop. Why would you applaud? Okay. Next one. Let's think about sides of a triangle. All right. Let's say you have a triangle that's like the base of it's 10. All right. And then you have a leg that's, let's say, maybe 4. And then you have another leg that's, say, 4 again. Could I make a triangle with sides 10, 4, and 4? If I gave you pieces of string, one was 10 inches, one was 4 inches, one was 4 inches, could you make a triangle with those 3? I'm seeing this motion and you're correct. Care to explain why?
Because the two smaller sides aren't like long enough.
Right.
2 smaller sides aren't long enough. That's right.
They can't
That's right.
reach each other.
They can't reach each other. Put another way, go ahead.
They don't add up to 10.
They don't add up to 10. All right, they don't add up to 10. This is good, you guys are getting it. So what if I did, all right, can you make a triangle with this? I'm seeing this motion.
Yeah.
Wait, so
No,
those
it's
two are
not.
I'm seeing this motion, or should it, is it like, yes,
Why?
no,
No. Why do they have to add up to 10?
yes,
It has to be more.
no.
It's like
Why do you
Okay,
have to add up to 10?
the answer to this is no.
Why do you leave it open?
I'm just saying, like pretend you had them. Like, get it? Can you close it?
A piece of string.
Can you close these two?
Yeah.
I'd say inches.
No.
For example, if you have one here that's 10, and you have like 7 and like 6. I could close the 7 and 6, right? I'm starting open and I close them.
It's more than the base.
Can you close the 5 and the 5 over the 10?
No.
No, because it would
in
be
a
a straight
triangle.
line.
Close it.
Yeah.
Right.
On the line.
It would be a straight line.
Straight line.
It would be a straight line.
If you try closing it, just go down.
Right, exactly. If you
But
try
how would you
closing these
close
two
it?
5s, so you can't make a triangle with 10, 5, and 5.
What if it's less?
If that was like 4 and 4,
Yeah, I didn't.
then you can't close it either.
I just thought big.
So the only time, let me get it out, the only time that you can touch these two 5 lengths is right when they get on the base itself, right when they're overlapping. That's the only way, which is not a triangle, right? So this is a 5 and this is a 5. That's the only way they can touch. So that can't make a triangle. Does that make sense?
Yeah, but
Questions now?
would there be like a problem, like this is what we're working on, of like a triangle with a hole at the top?
No, no. I'll give you the problems later.
Oh.
In a minute, actually. Yeah, yeah. Questions before I go on? Yeah.
Can you do 5 and 6?
Yes, you can do 5 and 6. You can do 5 and 6. So if you had 10 and you had 5 and you had 6, you can make a triangle because the 2 legs will touch, right, over the 10. Questions about that? Yes.
What if it's like 5.1 and 5? Would still work?
5.1 and 5 is also correct because they will touch just over it,
Okay.
right? So what's the rule? You tell me the rule.
The sides of the triangle have to be bigger than the base of the triangle.
Can they be equal? Thanks, yes,
No,
bye.
they cannot be equal.
Right. 2 sides need to be bigger than the third one.
Greater than, yeah.
Right. 2 sides together need to be bigger than the third one. Questions about
Wait,
that?
the
Is that
third one or the
Yeah,
base?
the base.
any third one?
Oh, really?
Meaning, so this is the problem. Miss,
Well,
who
that's
asked the question?
Sensor.
Miss right here, tap her.
Ah.
Hi, Miss. Okay. So you asked, what would the question be? The question would be 5, 6, 10.
But I don't get it, but if you did 10 and 5 at it, it's bigger than that. But
Yeah, that's good.
It's
So
bigger
10
than
and 5 is
5
bigger than 6? Cool.
No, yeah, but
Yeah.
then that one doesn't work then.
Right, this one does not work.
So how do you?
So you
So
can't
sometimes.
make
No, I.
a triangle. Let me ask you the question. Can you make a triangle with sides 5, 6, and 10?
Yes.
Yeah.
The answer is yes. You can make a triangle with 5, 6, and 10. Because 5 plus 6 is greater than 10. So it would look something like this. Because 6 plus 10 is greater than 5, and because 5 plus 10 is greater than 6. You do all 3 combos. Okay? Let me give you another one. What about,
I have a question.
yes please?
Will it always be in that order where the 10 is the bottom?
I mean,
Depends which way
no, it
you're
just
looking.
depends how you draw it. You know?
Okay.
You can draw it on its side. What about, let's say 2, 3, 4? Can you make a triangle with sides 2, 3, and 4? Thinking, and yes, what do you got?
Yes, because the 2 smaller sides add up being more than the.
Right, the 2 plus 3, which is
5.
5, is greater than 4. So you can create a triangle with those 3. Okay?
Did you teach us that in the beginning?
Kind of, yeah. I'm glad you're remembering. What about 7, 4, 11? Can you make a triangle with 7, 4, and 11?
No.
No? Why not?
Because
7 plus 4 is 11.
7 plus 4 is 11, and if you want to visualize, if we decided to put the base at the bottom, and we decided to have a length of 7 here, the only way it could touch the 4, this is the 7, the only way it could touch the 4 is if it's right overlapping the 11, and that's not a triangle, that's a straight line. Yes?
Every time we get 3 numbers, is the biggest one always going to be on the bottom?
Not necessarily, no, it just depends how you draw it.
Because if the 4 is on the bottom, then 7 and 11.
No, it doesn't, yeah, you can't. Here's the thing. If the 4 is on the bottom,
Yeah.
okay? See if I can draw what you're asking, because that's interesting. If the 4 is on the bottom,
Oh, then they're uneven because like it goes off.
All right, and then you have 7. Like, let's say 7 here, right?
Wait, what?
11 can't touch. 11 will be too short.
What do you mean 11 will be too short?
Like the third side. If you have a 7 and a 4, kind of like this,
But that's
you can't connect this any 7 and 4.
Oh yeah, because it has to be.
Yeah, wouldn't
Wouldn't
7 be
11 be
shorter and
touching, but
11
7 would be too
long?
short? Because how could 11 be too short?
No, because the 4 isn't long enough.
I don't get
It
it.
has to
Either
be
it's
at
gonna
least
be-
half of the number.
Basically, 11 will be too long then, if you
You
want
need
to say.
strength.
It's like if you have 4 here,
Yeah, that's what I was saying. It was
11 would be like too long. 11 would be like this.
But so would a 6 and a 5. The 6 is longer than the 5.
6 and 5 and 11 would be okay.
Why?
Because the base-
6 and 5 would be equal to 11, so it would not be okay, correct?
I don't get what the 11 thing is.
Well,
The third side. If I give you 3 pieces of string, and I'm really appreciating
Well,
the
that
questions.
doesn't work because it's equal. So
Right.
It doesn't work
Exactly.
anywhere.
It doesn't work anywhere. Exactly.
So
I'm
if I-
demonstrating this. I'm demonstrating doesn't matter how you draw it.
Okay.
It doesn't matter how you draw it. It doesn't work. So 7 and 4 like this, 11 can't touch because 11 would be too long now. And if you increase the angle here, if you try to make 7 and 4 like longer, the only way that you could have 11 touching the 7 and the 4 is once 7 and 4 flatten out and become 11 themselves. And that way, you can't make a triangle.
Oh, so if it's equal, like, it has to look equal, but it doesn't look equal.
Oh, it
like
has
it's
to be.
trying.
Has to be greater. 2 have to be greater.
I have a question.
Meaning, if I had 7.1 and 4, would that be okay?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
So like if we were going to do it like for 11, so say the bottom line is 11,
Yeah.
and then the could it be 8 or like 9 and like would it be able to do a higher number than a smaller number and would that work? I mean I just
Any 2 need to add up to be bigger than the third. So give me any 2 numbers and we can check it. So
9 and 6.
11, 9, 6. Any 2 add up to be
The
bigger
last
than
one
the
was
third.
going to be the longest.
So wait,
No.
could you have like 15 and 2 and
How
would
do
it
you
work?
know?
Right
Doesn't
in,
matter, it's just a triangle. It's just draw a triangle.
right in a different
If
order.
I said, draw a triangle on your paper,
When you could choose any.
yeah, draw a triangle on your paper, 11 centimeters, 9 and 6 are
That
the
would
lengths. That would work. Yeah, this would work.
Could you
9 plus 6 greater than 15.
Yeah, could you
mean
do
11.
you mean 11, but yeah. Could you
Greater than 11, right.
like could you have like a really large number as one of the sides and like 2 as the other side?
A really large number, so like 20,
26.
26.
No, like 20 and 2. It's just
So give me 3. Give me 3.
11, 20 and 2.
11, 20, 2. Would
11
this
would
be
be
a
big.
triangle?
No, no.
No.
No. Why?
No.
Because
Because what?
Two and
first
11
you
don't
find
add
the
up to
greater
20.
number, because then you take the other
Look at
two,
the biggest
add
one.
them up, and you see if they're greater than the greatest number.
If you had a 20 really long and an 11 and a 2, the 11 and 2 can't reach each other because the 20 is so long. So you can't close the triangle.
If the 2 smaller numbers out of the 3 add up to be bigger than the third number,
Right.
then it works.
Right. Yes.
Let's just say this was on like a test or
Right.
something. Would you, if you asked us, can these make a triangle? Would you ask us to make like to draw it out?
No.
And you're gonna make us like
No.
Are you gonna have
That
us-
you would need a ruler or something.
you wouldn't make us like prove it.
No. I mean, prove it. Yeah. I mean, you can say, how would you prove that this
I mean,
can
prove
be
it
a
wrong.
triangle?
You wouldn't make us prove it wrong. If it's no, it's just
The answer is yes or no, right?
okay.
Can this make a triangle? The answer is
No.
Yes.
yes.
Oh, the 7.1.
7.1 plus 4 is greater than 11. Okay?
Okay.
Questions on that? Those are really good questions. Those are really good. Okay, last round. And this one's a little trickier. It's the liddy in liddies, actually.
Inequalities.
Inequalities. Little liddies. That's not good.
It's not funny.
A small laugh for a small move.
Okay, good. That I wasn't expecting. So let's say you have a 5 and a 7. All right. We're waiting for the third side. Okay. Let's think. What are the possible numbers that could go here that would make a triangle. For example, 100. Could the third length of the triangle be 100?
No.
No, it can't. Okay, so what can it be? You have an idea? Yeah?
13.
13's cool. 13's not cool.
No, 10.
13's not cool. Why is 13 not cool? 7 plus 5 has to be
Oh, right.
greater than.
Right.
So we're going to change it to
10.
10 works.
Or 11.
What's another one? 11 works. What else works?
9 and
9's
Anything
okay.
less than 12.
Anything less than 12?
Anything less than 11.
What about
Anything-
1?
Any?
Would 1 work?
Which is
No.
more
Yeah.
than that?
No.
So how do you determine what
Wait,
the,
are we looking
the
at
limit
7?
is?
12 to 3.
That's what we're
12
doing
to
right now.
3.
No.
That's what we're doing.
Why can't
11 to 3.
3 is 3 okay?
Yeah.
Is 2 okay?
No.
Is 2.5 okay?
Yeah.
What 4 is?
So 2.1 or 2.
All right, we're getting close. We're getting close.
I'm getting
Anyone that
one.
can add to it? What? 1? Why can't 1 work? Anyone? Yes?
Is it because 5 plus 1 equals 6?
5 plus 1 is not bigger than 7.
So,
That's the rule we just did.
Erase my erase.
so, so it could be anything that, like, when you add 5 plus whatever it is greater than
3
7.
to 11.
Sure.
But then 5, it has to be less than.
And then also less than a certain amount.
Oh, so it can be 2.5.
Anything
2.5
from
is
3
fine.
to 11.
What about 2.1?
I can't handle
Two
the
point-
intensity of this.
No.
All right, here's the
Less
trick.
than 7
You ready?
or-
You ready for the trick? Because you guys are doing well. The trick is, we have determined, and you pointed it out, what are the limits? Limits, it goes, can't be more than, and can't be less than. Okay, so we have to pick 2 numbers here. What can't it be more than?
11.
Oh, 10.
Wow.
Cannot be
I mean
more than
11, 11.
11 or
11 or more?
11 or less.
So it
Well,
can't be
11 is the
more than.
maximum.
So wait, how about 11's the maximum?
No, 11.99.
Right, so it can't be more than,
But then that's saying that it can be 12.
yeah, can't be more than or equal to, you know?
12 or more.
Can't be 12 or more.
Or,
That's good, that's good. Can't be 12. There. Can't be 12 or more. Can't be 12 or more. And can't be blank or less.
3,
Who
2,
can do it?
2
2 or less.
2 or less.
Whoa, makes sense.
Can't be 12 or more. Can't be 2 or less. How did we get these 2 numbers? If you look at the pattern, it's right there in front of you. How do we get 12 and 2? Yeah?
When you add them, you get 12, so that wouldn't make a triangle. And then when you add 5 and 2, you get 7, so that.
No, when you add these 2, you get 12.
Right.
And then
you make 7 and
when you what these 2, you get 2.
Subtract them.
Subtract them, you get 2. That's it. That's the trick.
Oh.
So basically, kind of like this. 2. Cool, huh? So anything in this range is okay. Anything in this range is fine. 3 is okay. 2.1 is okay. 12.99999 is okay. Right?
No.
No, 11.
Excuse me, 11.9. That's right. I meant to say 11. Okay, so now you could do anyone. Now it becomes easy. Give me 2 numbers.
7 and 10.
7 and 10 works. 7 and 10. What is the range
17.
of the third side that you can make a triangle? 7 and 10, yep.
17 and 3.
17 and 3.
So it can't be 17 or more. And then it can't be 3.
Yeah, that's the easiest way to express it.
That makes it quicker.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. It was fun. It was fun for me because I was like asking, what can it be? What can't it be? And you guys were getting close to it yourselves. With this one, you're saying, well, it can be like 2.1. That's this. You're saying like, well, it can't be more than 12. It can be like 11, 11.5. That's this. So guys, kind of, you're getting it. This is just an elegant way of writing. That was fun. Thank
Very
you.
good.
Yay! How you guys feeling? Feeling okay?
Yeah.
You guys like, I don't know what it is, you're concentrating a lot. Is that what it is?
Must be.
Yeah.
Sí, señor.
Because at the beginning of the days, you guys are like doing cartwheels and stuff. And then we turn it on and you're like, oh. Okay, so sign off. Say bye, everyone.
Bye.